Hello and welcome, this is Dee from crystalcraftswithdee. I have an unboxing to do for you today. Yay! This one is from OneDaySaving. So they contacted me and asked me if I would like to review one of their products. I said yes, of course. I have been working with OneDaySaving for some time now. They're a great budget-friendly store, and they've got a lot to choose from on there, and they have some really good pricing. So I said yes, I would love to. And they have sent this out to me. So I know what one thing is, but I don't know what the other one is. They've tacked that on. So I have no idea what they've just sent. So I will do my little disclaimer now. I always reverse image search these products before I get them, just to make sure that everything is on board. And because I did not know about this one, I have not done a reverse image search. So I don't know what's in here. That's my little disclaimer. I can't do a search if I don't know what's in there. So anyway, let's have a look. I've already opened up the bag so I don't struggle on camera. I don't know, haven't looked in there. So this is from OneDaySaving, and we have, so that's the one that I know about, and that's the one I don't. Ooh, that looks interesting. Oh, it's heavy. All right, we'll get on to this one first. Okay, so this one here is a Christmas tree table topper. It's a special drill. Oh yeah, oh wow. What else is in there? Yep, that's everybody. So we've got our little Christmas tree. We have our drills, a standard tool kit, and the stand. So that's like an acrylic, plastic acrylic stand. Let's have a look at our tree. Oh, so that's a really nice size actually. I didn't know it was going to be that big. Got a little bit of that plastic's peeled off the top there, but that's okay. So that's it there. And they had quite a few different designs. That's very pretty. I love how the Christmas tree, you've got your different greens through it, which is really lovely. It gives you a nice 3D effect. And I love the presents under the tree. Okay, so it is one-sided. Very, very pretty. Okay, so that's pretty cool. And then, of course, it sits. You drill all that, and then it sits in the little stand there. So it sits like that. All right, cool. Let's bring it up a little bit closer. So there's no issues at all reading those symbols. And I like how we've got some different sizes of the rounds there, so that looks really cool. Very nice. And of course that is sticky under there. Should be really sticky actually. Hang on, it was just off the top there. Let me try that. Okay. So really sticky. So all you do with these is, if you haven't done these before, very simple. You just peel the plastic back, and the code there, or the symbol A or D or C or whatever, will be printed on the packet of the corresponding drills. So very easy to do. But that looks really, really good. Let's have a look at those drills. Alright, so drills are on standard strips. We've got some beautiful big red round drills. Got some, I love these. There's some teardrops. Love the different colors in them. You've got some round yellows and some marquees. Looking really good, those drills actually. They're pretty, those pinks. Got some lovely light blue, some lighter blue. The backs of those drills look really, really good. No scratching. Green, red, kind of a yellowy green, that one. Some more red, and an orangey yellow. So really beautiful Christmas colors. It's going to look amazing. That's my gorgeous table topper Christmas tree. So it's a pretty decent size. So that's like my hand. Beautiful. I'll be looking forward to getting started on that one. I might actually do a quick little whip and chat while I start that. That's not a bad idea. I haven't done one of them in ages. Okay, on to the next one. Right, so this is a diamond painting. It is 40 by 70 centimeters, so it's a nice big one. There we go. It's really nice and soft. Nice canvas. Got some drills and a standard toolkit. Alright. And, oh wow. Wow, that is amazing. Beautiful sailboat. That is amazing. 21 colors. Now, like I said, I have not done a reverse image search on this. Because I didn't know it was coming. Okay, so this one, 21 colors. Got some really beautiful colors in there. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'll zoom you in so you can have a closer look at those, at that drill field. In we go. So that's printed very well. In particular, I'm looking at these dark areas here, but that looks pretty good. It's actually printed really well. Don't have any issues at all reading those symbols. Very pretty. Love the blues and the purples. It's my favorite color, purple. So that's looking really, really good. 2 symbol keys, one on both each side. Bring you over to this one over here. There we go, and those symbols, whoops, you can see are very well printed, and they have the DMC cross-reference as well. And then you've got your little thumbnail up the top. Alright, I'll bring you around to the center. Okay, zooming it back out again. And we'll have a look at those drills. Okay, so the drills are actually in these Ziploc bags. I love it when they do that. Beautiful colors. I won't take them out because they're so beautifully put in there, and you should see it when I try to get them back in there. Looks terrible, but those colors are just beautiful, and they look really, really good. And you can see there they're very clearly marked. Really gorgeous. Love the colors. Alright, so open that one back out again. Okay, so one beautiful diamond painting. And we have one gorgeous Christmas topper. I can't wait to get started on that one actually. So I'd like to thank OneDaySaving very much for sending these out to me for review. I will pop the links to both these guys in the description box below, as well as to their website and any specials that they have. So I'd like to thank OneDaySaving very much for sending these out to me for review, and I'd like to thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time. Bye!